Huaxia is a professional manufacturing enterprise focused on the research, development, production, and marketing of metalworking machinery. Our core products include the cover press brake, sheet metal shearing machinery, plate bending machine, hydraulic ironwork machine, hydraulic notching machine, laser cutting machine, and power press. Our innovative and expert R&D and design teams are dedicated to providing high-quality machine tool products to our customers. Our expansive dealer network in many countries provides after-sales services, and we are able to customize non-standard products to customers according to their requirements. Currently, our products are available in many countries and regions, covering Southeast Asia, Middle East, European Unions, South Africa, and so on. Huaxia has obtained ISO 9001 Quality Management Certification and the CE certificate, with its products available to Germany and many other European countries independently. Huaxia has been concentrating on the machinery manufacturing industry for over 20 years since its inception, and we will invest more to improve our product quality and to provide superior product quality and service. We are looking forward to cooperating more clients. Thank you. To better service our customers with high-quality products, Huaxia has established a large CNC machine tool production base spanning 110,000 square meters. In our blanking workshop, the flame cutting machine and gas-shielded welding machine for raw material cutting and welding work provide very precise results. After this process, framework processing of the semi-finished products is completed by dozens of high-precision processing equipment, including the large CNC horizontal lathe, CNC planer type milling machine, horizontal boring machine, drilling machine, and so on. After that, our assemblers will properly mount the parts taken from the semi-finished products warehouse according to the standards of assembly. Last, the debugging group will conduct multiple tests on the equipment according to design requirements to ensure that every set of equipment produced here at Huaxia is high quality and reliable. The Huaxia sheet metal shearing machinery adopts a 3-point rolling guide operation without resistance. The shearing angle is adjustable within a specific range. Multi-step programming is available for automatic operation and consistent positioning of the rear stopper, assisting the rear stopper in automatic, accurate adjustment of position. Meanwhile, it is available in one-button operation, breaking point, and displaying a processing track. Currently, this sheet metal shearing machine is ideal for cutting and processing of metal sheets. The machine body of Huaxia's press-bake machine is in an overall welded and overall process structure with the position of the rear stopper and slide stroke control achieved by transmission of a servo motor and display by a CNC display. The numeric control system adopts the Netherlands Delum, Italian ESA, or Swiss Sibelic companies, available in graphic programming for bending angle, compensation for angle amendment, automatic withdrawal of rear stopper, etc. Now, this press brake tooling has been widely applied for the bending process of various metal sheets. The laser cutting machine produced by Huaxia is connected to a computer to achieve programming at any time. The driving system adopts a rail guide and ball screw made by Taiwan Highwind. With a smoothly moving track, increases the speed and accuracy. Currently, this laser cutting machine has been used for cutting and processing of various metal sheets with different thickness, which covers carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum sheet, and copper sheet, etc. The 4-column hydraulic press here at Huaxia adopts the integrated system of a cartridge valve to provide the advantages of reliable operation, long service life, low hydraulic impact, and reducing the connecting pipe and leakage point. It features an independent electrical control system and utilizes centralized button control, which can be operated in manual semi-automatic or manual semi-automatic cycling mode. It is mainly used for sheet metal stretch forming, flanging, bending, and punching.